Now, boys, did y'all know Antarctica hides a waterfall that bleeds red? Forget the dang snow and ice. Here a dang river of blood spills from a waterfall like a dang horror movie. Now, boys, here is Blood Falls. Water that falls from this waterfall has been trapped underneath ground for more than 5 million years. And boys, it's full of iron. That's why it gets that red color. When it hits air, it oxidizes, turning the water red. Now, y'all, it ain't magic. It's just Earth's most mystical chemical reaction, hiding in plain sight. Blood Falls proves that Antarctica is not just cold, it's alive and riddled with secrets.